And now to the Rebound Milwaukee and doing what's right. When Wisconsin weather takes a turn, we remember to check on our elderly neighbors.
But during stay-at-home orders, that wasn't necessarily the case. In Milwaukee County, elder abuse and neglect reports are on the rise. Kristen Byrne highlights a call for action.
Basically, we know seniors are one of the most vulnerable populations during COVID-19. To keep them safe, nursing homes cut down or canceled visitors, and families limited contact with their loved ones. That isolation serves to protect, but it could be a double-edged sword.
Are you guys getting reports of financial exploitation or abuse during COVID-19? And now they're exploding.
Dinah LeCaze with the Milwaukee County Department on Aging says the office has seen a 15% increase in complaints in the first 3 months of this year compared to last. This data doesn't take into account abuse reports during the pandemic in April, May, or June.
What are people reporting? Abuse, neglect, financial exploitation, and self-neglect.
LeCaze says the sobering part is, in 95% of cases, the elderly victim is close with their abuser. In some instances, it's a caregiver or even a family member. Her department just referred a neglect case over to the district attorney's office.
The individual ended up with multiple wounds all over their body. It shouldn't be happening. It should never be happening.
I'm usually brought in when there are already accusations of fraud or exploitation.
Attorney Eamon Guerin is doing video visits with his elderly clients during COVID.
What have you been doing as their legal guardian to help them protect themselves from bad actors?
Make sure that any private financial information is kept out of their possession.
If they live in a nursing home or independently, Guerin recommends having their mail sent to a separate location so it doesn't end up in the wrong hands. If they live alone and you can't visit, he suggests calls or video chats to check in, or installing a doorbell camera so you can see who comes to the house. Someone, he says, needs to be paying attention.
Hopefully there's a good neighbor out there, a good friend who can watch out and take to assist to ensure that a senior who hasn't been out in a while is okay.
Because LeCaze points out a complaint likely won't come from the victim.
They want to be able to maintain their independence, so they're not going to call for help. That's why we need others to call.
Here's your Rebound rundown. If you suspect elder abuse in Milwaukee County, call 414-289-6660. If you're over the age of 60, call 414-289-6874. For the Rebound Milwaukee, I'm Kristen Byrne.